Okay, so we're doing our makeup, and I'm doing my makeup routine that I do every time I do my makeup, and my mom is...
Copycat mom?
Yeah, this is your account. This is, you run the show, but
yeah.
I am showing you what I do for makeup, and then we're gonna do it together. Okay, so you could use this, or you could use something of your own. Do you want to use this, or you want to use your own?
I'll use it.
Okay.
Wait,
I put it everywhere. No, you do it on yourself.
Okay.
And this is just, I don't even know what I'm doing. I just put it everywhere. I don't really know how to do makeup, but this is just what I do.
I have a lot of makeup on already, but I'll add a
Well, take it off. So we're just blending in. This is just like just to make my skin look better.
To even out your skin tone, honey, is what it's called.
Yeah, exactly.
Bring it down the neck, ladies. Bring it down the neck.
Now it's time for contour. I just do it like this.
That's Milk Makeup bronzer, by the way. Ooh, love that.
And just a little up here. Twinning! Next, I do my eyebrows as my next step, and just brush up and kind of just fill in the gaps of like nothing crazy, just like a little bit here and there to make it thicker and darker.
Nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy.
Looks great. So we just wear our spoolies, and you have to bend it like that.
Oh boy.
Yep. And then you're just gonna, yep, soap brow.
Okay.
Then brush it up.
Brush it up?
Like that. Yeah. Okay, and then I do my little blush, and I just like to go up.
I hardly ever use blush. So we go up?
Yeah, a little bit.
Like
a little goes
and
a
you
little
do
way.
it here?
Yeah, that's good.
And then blend it?
Blend. Doing a speed round, so I'm going bronzer first. We already contoured, but bronzer. Okay, I give it to you. Now you do bronzer.
Okay.
And then what I do over here is I do Lancome, brown shade, boom. Just a little bit, like that. Your turn.
Go ahead.
Hurry! Okay, and then I do highlighter.
Brown shade.
This. Tap it in.
Which one? Which one?
That one. Gumdrop. Okay. Okay, then I just put a little bit of powder for my shiny spots. You're following after me again. Eyeliner. This looks really scary, but...
Just a little on the bottom?
We have color eyes, so it'll pop. Oh wait, maybe use your own. I don't want pink eye.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay, just...
Okay, a little here and a little here of sparkle. All done, twins. We did lipstick.